Today I thought I'd give you a little bit of a sampling. These are Rineharts here. You can see Rinehart Racing. I had to have special adapters. I'll let you hear what they sound like. We'll do a little comparison here today. Those are Rinehart Racing on a Royal Star Venture. Okay, then this is Delkevic. I want you to listen to this so you can get a little bit of a sample of the Delkevic too and see what, for comparison purposes. Rinehart's definitely louder than the Delkevic. I did some videos on the installation of the Delkevic. So it has a rumble, but it's not nearly as much bite as that Rinehart. That's your Delkevic. And they're okay. I didn't particularly like the connecting piece. You can see you have to use an extension piece to attach it. I mean, it works. Let me let you listen to them. Yeah, what the heck? Let's fire this baby back up. Got them both going now. There's your Delkevic, Rinehart. See how distance. This is not scientific, but to give you a perspective. Okay, now these are on Royal Star Venture, Yamaha Royal Star Venture. The Delkevic is on an 08, and the Rineharts I've got on my 13. So Yamaha Royal Star Venture for some comparison purposes. So if you're thinking about an upgrade from factory, go back. I have a video when I installed these Delkevics showing the original OEM pipes. And I captured those on video before I upgraded and changed these out. Now, I have another set of pipes I might change this to at some point that I picked up. Not Rinehart, but another brand. But anyway, hopefully this comparison will help you if you're thinking about changing out your pipes. And enjoy.